Hi and welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to paint a cresting wave. The brushes we'll need today are a medium flat brush, a size 10 round brush, and sizes 3 and 5 round brush. The colors we'll be using today are sky blue, white, blue, teal, turquoise, and dark blue. Are you ready? Let's begin. Step 1 is to tone your canvas. Generally speaking, we're going to place sky blue on the top half of the canvas and turquoise on the bottom half of the canvas. Fill in the empty space after you form your wave with teal or turquoise. Fill that space in with sky blue. Please make sure that you let this layer dry completely. You can let it air dry, you can use a fan, or you can utilize a hair dryer on the low heat setting. After your paint is completely dry, let's move on to step 2, which is creating the wave. Paint with turquoise from the lower left corner to the middle of the right side of the canvas. To create dynamic color, blend in blue and dark teal while the paint is wet. When you're satisfied with the wave colors that you've created, allow your work to dry completely. When your work has dried, move on to step 3, adding highlights and lowlights. Use a small round brush and light turquoise for highlights under the crest of the wave, and deep blue as a low light in the bottom right corner. Use a size 3 or 5 round brush to create the water texture. Do this by painting with wiggly lines in one direction using the darker shades. Please allow your work to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 4 is creating the sea spray. First, use a size 5 round brush loaded with white paint to create dots along the top of the crest of the wave. Then, use a dry brush to drag the paint around in small concentric circles. As it dries, you'll get the effect of sea spray. Create some mist using the same method on the left side of your canvas. Here's a peek at my finished painting. How did yours come out? Leave a comment below with any questions you might have. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Subscribe to this channel for more beginner art and painting videos. Thanks for watching. Visit our website, artpal.com/galactica143.